Smashing Science, exploring the limits in the lab.
Hey, I'm Dane, and on this episode of Smashing Science, we wanted to infill you on an intriguing technology, 3D printing. Using an MTS criterion testing system, we wanted to test the compressive strength of ABS using 4 different types of 3D printed infills: rectilinear, honeycomb, cubic, and triangular. When compressive force was applied parallel to the printing layer, the cubic infill withstood the most force at 3.07 kilonewtons, followed by the honeycomb, rectilinear, and triangular infills. When applied perpendicular to the printing layer, the honeycomb infill withstood the most amount of compressive force at 6.83 kilonewtons, followed by the triangular, rectilinear, and cubic infills. Thanks for joining us on Smashing Science, and please like and subscribe to see future episodes.